हाय फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ कार्तिका एंड फाइनली हमारे किड्स के एग्ज़ाम हो गए हैं फिनिश और हम निकले हैं इस वीकेंड पर फैमिली वेकेशन पे आगरा। तो वी आर हेयर एट जेपी पैलेस आगरा।
And this is the inside view once you enter from JP Palace. That's how they have done the entire greenery launchship, and we'll take you inside, show you the fountain view, and then we'll get into the rooms, and talk about what all facilities are there in the JP Palace. This is the way to conventional hall and Diwane Aam, and then the way to reception, and then there is a Diwane Khas. We'll go both places today. That's the night view, and the landscaping I think at both sides is pretty good. Green lush feeling, and they've also put a fountain there. Let me show you that. And that's the fountain that they've put right in front of the entrance, the reception area, and some parking can be used, temporary parking, and then they have a bigger parking outside. And that's the fountain view, and that's the entry point. And we are being welcomed at JP Palace just at the entrance. So let's see. That's the entrance lobby area.
ये है हमारे रूम की लॉबी। नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू अवर रूम नाउ एंड दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू दैट वी हैव। सो मूविंग टू द रूम नाउ।
So about to enter my room. That is the entrance. Let's see how. Okay, I think this is the washroom. We got a closet here. Let's see. It has a safe, and then closet. And I think right here, and then we have water bottles and coffee maker. Place to keep some luggage. There's a mirror, television, working table area, and then the bed. The room also has a nice and clean balcony, and it has an extended view of the property. So that's the view from the balcony of this property, JP Palace Agra. And I think this is a sitting area that they've created. An entry to the washroom. Washroom अच्छा होना चाहिए. I think it's nice. Towels, bathing area, wash basin, and then clean toilet. Nicely done. ये हम लिफ्ट के बाहर प्रिंसेस डायना का वेट कर रहे हैं. प्रिंसेस डायना को एक एलिवेटर से ऊपर लेके आया गया है. प्रिंसेस डायना जो है अपने रूम की तरफ जाएंगी रॉयल पैलेस के अंदर. हम मैम से उन सवाल पूछते हैं. The Chine for fine Chinese cuisine. That's the place that they have. And then time to enter Patra. Patra is an Indian restaurant that they have. So we're just entering. I think the breakfast for our group is arranged here. So we'll go there and enjoy the breakfast.
Real juice, free fresh juice actually. The breakfast options, I think cornflakes, mueslis, followed by some salads and then fruits, breads, butter, I think donuts and muffins. Then start with South Indian. I think then we have South Indian idli, poha, chola kulcha, butter kulcha actually, with me puri and aloo, fresh parathas, baked beans, I think some veggies, jalebi and rabdi. And that's the entire ambience of breakfast, sitting area. And then the South Indian dosa counter and the egg counter. और ये है घी का अरेंजमेंट. इन लोगों ने JP पैलेस में कार्ट रखी हुई है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कार्ट. चार्जेबल बेसिस पे है और आपको पूरी प्रॉपर्टी का राउंड करवाती है इन couple of thousand. Can also take you to Agra Palace, to Taj Mahal. They charge something, but then they can take you to that. So that's also one experience that you can do. It's time to go down for a lunch. So our room is at third floor, so we're going down at the ground at the restaurant to look for lunch. So let's see how the lunch goes. And we are at the entrance of Grand Buffet Restaurant. So let's see. Let's get into and see what is inside. We've got a table now, and that's the overall place to sit. Starting with the options of breads, and then we have a soup, mushroom soup today in menu, lemon coriander chicken. This seems to be some form of pasta. pasta. This is veggies, Shandong noodles, Manchurian dumplings, hot garlic sauce, seems like a lamb, fry burk, wow, and the salads. I think the salad bar, multiple salads, followed by some achars, a few more sprouts and salads and achars, I think. Then we have paneer tikka masala, followed by subs, bahar, biloni, malai kofta, I think, pani kofta, achari bhindi, dal and rice. Choice of offers. You can make it one raita. They give curd and multiple options. They can make pineapple raita, cucumber raita, bundi raita, and onion tomato raita. Whatever raita you want to make, you can make your own raita. And then choice of coffees. And on the table now, having a nice lunch at JP was this Wan Das Halwai, which is basically serving chaat papdi. We have other options like pudding, sevaiyan kheer, kesar rasmalai, followed by baklava, pastry and some fruits. We are inside the property, JP Palace, and what you see behind me are all the green areas that they have maintained. A beautiful garden that is maintained. You see some of the parrots coming on the trees. It gives a mesmerizing view, and that goes one. And then they've also maintained a circular area for some sports activity. In case you want to come with family, larger extended families, play some games, that's the ground that it can be used. And then right behind that is all the building and rooms of the. And that's the swimming pool area. You can come here and enjoy swim. That's a very different shape of swimming pool. There are pool rules that apply, but I think overall that's the facility that they have. And that's the another way of property view. JP Palace and Convention Center Agra. Multiple rooms and some of them are pool facing. That's the way, and then that's the view of the pool. And that's the other view of. This is the way to pool and spa, and then the tennis court, and this is the jogging track, way to the jogging track. So we'll just take a walk off the jogging track. I think flowering and greenery is nicely maintained, nicely done. Combinations of flowers, purple, red, yellow.
And finally, half kilometer की walk के बाद हमें finally ducks मिल गई हैं, and the walk is worth it. इतनी white, इतनी beautiful हैं ये. ये डक्स पता नहीं क्यों रवीश को देख के एक्साइटेड हो गई हैं. शायद इनका कोई पुराना फ्रेंड मिल गया है इनको. अचानक से रवीश को देख के तेज चिल्ला रही हैं. आई थिंक ये लोग ना भूखी हैं. दे आर फीलिंग हंग्री, एंड सिंस ही इज कॉलिंग देम, इनको लग रहा है इन्हें कुछ खिलाने वाले हैं.
इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. अगर वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में डालें. मैं जल्दी से जल्दी उस पर रिस्पॉन्ड करने की कोशिश करूँगा. और मिलते हैं नए ब्लॉग में. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, जय हिंद.